Alright, so here we are, another weekend. We're working on the 944 V8 project here. We've got the engine rolled over. We're going to have a look at exchanging the Renegade Hybrid's oil pan onto there. See how easy that goes. What we did first though was we unboxed our lifters and sprayed them out with some brake clean and then compressed air, and then we threw them in this old coffee can full of oil. Nice fresh clean oil too. So that's that. They'll soak for a little bit. The plan today is to get that oil pan on and oil pickup onto this engine, and then get those lifters into new lifter trays and into the engine, install the old push rods, and well, install the heads and then the old push rods and everything else. We'll see how that goes. Right now we're since we're in here, this has to come off, and I'm just going to pull the windage tray real quick to have a look, make sure none of our chips from the cam drilling caused any problems, which I don't think they did, but we'll make sure nothing's down in there. And it looks like we might be able to get another better look at the cam from underneath too. So that's the project for today. We'll see how it goes. One thing that's going to cause a little bit of an issue is, remember the oil cooler that we took off the side of the engine here? Well, these are the feed and return holes to it, so probably gonna have to figure out something to do with that. We may have to, I'm hoping we don't have to drill and tap and plug them, but that may be what we have to do. Because if you notice, in the original oil pan here, there are the ports for it. And I don't think that stuff exists on the Renegade Hybrid's pan, so let's get to work on this thing.